if you're a content creator, if you're a copywriter, if you're a gamer, if you're somebody who uses one of these, not a Millennium Falcon, but if you're somebody who uses a computer monitor quite a bit, then by all accounts, according to some research, 5 odd hours a day is what we look at a computer screen for. Then your eyes can explode if you're doing it a lot. So the best thing that you can do is look after your eyes. And how do you do that? According to the American National Standard Practice for Office Lighting, the best lighting that you can have is 500 lux. Now, lux is a measurement of light. And believe it or not, BenQ have got this 500 lux screen bar, which attaches to your monitor like that. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. Let's get rocking. Let's get it set up and let's see what it's like, because apparently this thing is supposed to be top notch. First impressions are this thing is well built. The attachment that hangs over the monitor at the back here just goes behind here. This thing is really, really heavy. That's not going to fall off anytime soon. Similar kind of setup to, we'll say, like a PlayStation camera or lots of webcams where there's just something that hangs over the back, but this is seriously weighted. The screen bar itself, the light, it's incredibly well built. It's kind of got this magnesium finish. It's solid. It feels good in the hand. Not that you're going to be holding it that often, because once it's up there, it's up there. Setup is incredibly easy. You just connect the screen bar to the anchor like that, hang it on the back of the monitor, plug in your USB cables, and then it's all controlled from this. First option you have is an automatic dimmer, and it adjusts to the brightness in the room. You can see it dimming and adjusting there. You've got control of temperature, so you can go from very cool to very warm, around 2700 Kelvin up to about 6500 Kelvin. And of course then you can click to turn on, click to turn off with the button, and you've also got your brightness as well, which you adjust from left to right. Besides the fact that it creates a great ambience in the room and you've just really can focus on what you're doing, you've got no other lights around you, you've got everything turned off. I have been using this for a couple of hours, and while my eyes haven't exploded or anything, not that they have, I do feel a little bit more relaxed using it. That might sound a little bit weird, but I seem a little bit more relaxed just working away for the last couple of hours since I started shooting this video. We've done some Fortnite gaming and a few bits here. In the meantime, I've left it on for more or less the whole day, and I like it. Besides the fact that it's better for your eyes and it's going to take the eye strain off, I like the glow it gives, and I kind of like the fact that it really focuses you on what you're actually doing, which is working. And everybody likes good lighting, and this really helps hugely. So, you know, yes, it's a light. Yes, it's a little bit expensive. I want to see how this works out over the next couple of months. But for me, the BenQ Screenbar is going to be a permanent attachment to the monitor. Now, if I do have one criticism, just one little criticism, it's going to obscure your webcam. So if you've got a webcam mounted on your monitor, you are going to have to push it to the side, which is something that I've had to do. It's not a big deal. It's different, right? It's something that you might just stumble upon on Amazon or somewhere else and go, what the hell is that? But I think for me anyway, so far, the BenQ Screenbar has been 2 thumbs up. So big thanks to BenQ for sending this. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys if you want to check it out a little bit more about the information about the whole thing. But this thing is well built. It is rock solid. So that's it. That's my take on the BenQ Screenbar. I never thought I'd be that impressed with a light. But yeah, if it's going to help the eyes, then more power to it, right? Anyway, that is it. My name is Vic. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next episode of the vlog, which will be on Wednesday at 8 p.m. GMT. And until then, don't stop fighting for yourself.